Hello students, what we'll be learning now is Introduction to Windows. What are we going to be learning? We'll learn about how our computer starts and the general work on using your Windows, using your computer. How do we navigate right and left? This tutorial is meant for beginners. Even if you've never touched computer before, now this lesson is for you. When you switch on your computer, you will arrive at a place called the desktop. Here is desktop. At first, when you put on your computer, it passes through the booting stage. It tries to load. By loading, in computer terms, we call it booting. There are two types of booting. There is cold booting and warm booting. Cold booting is when you put on your computer for the very first time of the day. And warm booting is when you are trying to restart your computer. After probably you've been working on it and you decided to restart your computer due to any reason. So that is warm booting. So after the booting stage, you arrive at this place called the desktop. This desktop. On the desktop, what can we see on desktop? We'll see all these beautiful images, all this image, and we can change it. We can put another image of our choice. Then all these things, they are referred to as icon. Icon. I-C-O-N. An icon is a representation of a particular program in the computer. That means that icons, they are representing a particular program in your computer. They are representing program in your computer. So, for example, we have CircleBeam, we have WPS, we have Word documents, we have a browser, this is Microsoft Edge, we have Opera browser, and so on and so forth. So all these icons, when you click on it, it will lead you to a particular computer program. Okay, so that is another feature of the desktop. First one is the wallpaper. Number two is the icon. The third one is the taskbar. This bottom bar here, placed at the bottom, is called taskbar from the beginning to the end. On the taskbar, what can we see? You see this window button, or you can call it a start button. Then you see some other icons also, some shortcut icon. Then we see battery level. You see our network indicator, volume control, time and date. So let's go to the start button. You select the start button by clicking on it. That is your left button on your keyboard, and on your mouse rather, on your mouse. Then on your laptop you will see two buttons, right and left. The left one is the normal click, so just click on it and you find yourself here. So just click on this window button here, start button. You will see this. When you select on this power, you see power, settings, blah 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 blah. You see some programs here. So if you want to go to any program, you go through the start menu. So on the start menu, we find all these things. So also, to shut down your computer, you have to click on that menu, then click on this power button. Look at the icon very well. That is the indicator of power in any devices. So when you click on it once, it will give you some options. Shutdown is when you shut down properly, it closes all apps and turns off your PC. PC means personal computer. Sleep is simply means you make your computer sleep. The PC stay on, but it uses low power. And you can use hibernate. Then you can restart. So that's on the start button. Let's check the time and date. When you click on time and date, you click on these three buttons to adjust the time and date. You can try that on your own. You can change the time and date here. Just click on it and you will see. Then here is the volume control. You can increase the volume or you can decrease it here. Yes. This is battery gauge. When you click on it, you see the remaining battery that you have left. The battery gauge. When you select it, you see it. So on this my PC, I'm having 28%. I'm running out of battery. So File Explorer. From here, we can explore other files in our computer. When you click on it, you see so many locations here. You see this PC. In this PC, you see all the drives, all the hard disks that we have on our computer. This is the size of the hard disk that we have on this computer. 367 gig. You see? And this is another hard disk. So to close it, click on this.